If you want to turn off photo tagging in OneDrive, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find the setting and disable it so OneDrive stops analyzing your photos to group people together. This is a simple privacy-related change, and it only takes a minute once you know where to look. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open OneDrive in your web browser and sign in with the Microsoft account connected to your files. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page and click the Settings gear icon. From the menu that appears, select Options. This will open the main OneDrive settings area, where you can control different features and preferences. On the left-hand side, you should see a menu with several categories. Click Photos. This is the section where OneDrive keeps options related to image management and photo features. Now look for the setting labeled People Tagging or Photo Tagging. Depending on your account layout, the wording may be slightly different, but it will be the option that controls whether OneDrive can identify and group people in your pictures. To turn it off, switch that setting to Off. This stops OneDrive from using that photo tagging feature going forward. After you make the change, be sure to save your settings if OneDrive asks you to confirm. In some cases, the change may apply immediately, but it's always a good idea to check before closing the page. And that's it. Photo tagging in OneDrive is now turned off. Your photos will no longer be analyzed for that specific grouping feature, which can give you a little more control over your privacy and how your library is organized. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.